Tired of nagging shoulder and upper back pain that just won't quit? Today, you'll discover a simple dumbbell move that can fix that and boost your strength all at once. The bent-over dumbbell reverse fly is perfect for home workouts, no fancy gym gear. Kneaded in, it targets the muscles that help you stand taller and move easier. Here's how it works. Bend over at your hips, keep your back flat. Hold a dumbbell in each hand and slowly lift your arms out to the sides like wings. Do this 10 to 15 times for 3 sets, resting just enough to feel strong but still challenge yourself. This move zeroes in on your rear shoulders and upper back muscles, which often get weak from hours of sitting and bad posture. Most people spend months trying to lose belly fat or build arms. But forget the key to better posture and reducing pain is strengthening these hidden muscles. Strengthening here not only melts stubborn fat more efficiently but also improves your balance and stops that tight, achy feeling in your neck and shoulders. Imagine feeling lighter, moving with ease, and saying goodbye to that constant shoulder ache. And the best part, you only need 10 to 15 minutes a few times a week. That's way less than a typical workout, but just as powerful because these muscles help you stay active longer and prevent injury. Think of it like fixing the foundation of your body to unlock next-level fitness and comfort. Want to feel stronger, lose fat, and move pain-free? Try this move tomorrow and see how your body reacts. Stick with it, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve with just a pair of dumbbells. Hit subscribe now to unlock a full playlist that'll guide you through home workouts designed to make your body feel amazing every single day. Don't miss out on transforming your pain into power.